Hey guys, it's Misa
and Jerry,
and welcome to episode 2 of OCDetailing.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up.
Where the weed at?
Damn, bro, this is a glass jar.
Ooh, this grass.
I don't even smoke. I guess OCDetailing is gonna make more money now.
It's funny because this customer brought us weed, and the two guys that actually worked in his car is the two people that actually smoke weed here. And Ryan, what'd you say it was?
And some people don't believe in fate.
Game change. Watch the game change, yeah.
These are all mine.
These are all yours?
Yeah. Snap! She brought sugars! What do we got today?
So basically lots of chocolate chunks and then toffee.
On a scale of need a hospital immediately and diabetic, what happens if I eat more than 2 of these? You need a hospital and you're diabetic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Really
cool.
fun stuff, yeah.
Amazing.
Good? Awesome.
Can you describe how OCDetailing Tuesday's going?
So the plague hit the shop. So
I was taken out today.
Hugo's not here.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Yeah, Stephanie was FaceTiming me like while Hugo's getting dragged out in an ambulance. I don't know why she called me, but I was like, oh my god.
Here's proof.
Yeah.
Let me record this right now.
Hugo, I miss you. Your people miss you.
So Misa makes cookies, and she makes it for the whole shop, but Justice doesn't eat chocolate. So therefore, she made Justice his own box. So nice of her. Own box. Special box. Can I call dibs on 2 of them?
No, because there's only 2 cookies. See, that's why I was trying to fight, dog. Like, so it's
Wait,
like,
what? There's caramel in there?
yeah, it's caramel in the cookie.
Doesn't she know that you can eat chocolate?
Huh? I just like sugar cookies. Why is it so complicated?
Did you tell me so already? And you're like, I can't eat these?
Yeah, and I feel really bad. I feel like a jerk. Or like oatmeal raisin. Oatmeal raisin's amazing. Yeah. Taste of an old white man.
Yeah.
Yeah. I am old and white, guys. My birthday's in like 2 weeks. I'm dead, basically.
I'm gonna send you to a competition. You better win.
Yeah, I mean,
Like if you lose,
Yeah.
like we're not friends anymore.
they have PPF competitions too, so maybe I can bring Hugo. So if he loses too, then it's like it won't look as bad. Yeah.
He gets the flu or something. Like that's only if he's sick.
Yeah.
Even then, he'd probably still win.
I like that he has more confidence in Hugo than he does me. He's like, you better not lose. And Hugo, he's like, Hugo would never lose. Like, impossible.
On occasion, Justice, I've seen you had psychotic meltdowns. I've never seen Hugo do that.
Yeah. He probably just. He like holds it in. He's like, ah.
Yeah. Look, all of my friends going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me.
Why am I gonna read it? That car right there? That car right there.
Did you know that Justice beats women up, including me?
You
So, what he does, you know, Batman, he has 2 lives. So Justice is Clark Kent, and then afterwards he's Batman. But in this case, Batman beats me up.
Superman.
So, oh,
Batman is Bruce Wayne.
And we got that on camera. We got that on camera.
That's for how hard I hit it. No.
She can't remember no more.
Yeah. We gotta explain that we do Muay Thai together. So.
Cherry.
So here we took this Marina Bay Blue metallic BMW M5 and we did that Expo Stealth on top of it, and this is how it turned out. So we actually swapped out the front mesh grill as well as the side intake grills. On top of that, we also included the complementary ceramic coating that, well, first of all, you can't even really tell it's wrapped. I don't know, I just really like the color. I think it's cool.
Christian stayed late last night to finish this car. So thank you, Christian. Was the Applebee's delicious?
It was alright. It's Applebee's.
You got a steak at Applebee's?
Yeah, I know, that's my mistake.
I was like, a steak?
Before you show this on camera, I have to warn you that. Okay, so someone sent me this Amazon package that says for Joe only. My best friends are my balls.
I'll pass.
Alex, you don't want to hear about it?
The front page just told me to.
Hang on. When I wake up, My best friends are right there next to me. When we go anywhere, we go as 3.
Okay, I think we should stop there.
I help them feel better when they're feeling blue. Although sometimes I tend to block their view. They help me when life gets hard.
Uncle Joe.
And as you can see, we have 2 girls listening in on this story.
Our home is cozy and warm like a tidy yard. It's a bit of a squeeze when we try to sit in a chair. My best friends have some really curly hair.
Alright, we're done. No more. That's good. How's it going, Jerry?
If Picasso was alive, he'd feel threatened. Who else could make this? Alex. Alex made a whole gallery on smuggling. But Picasso walked, so Alex could run, so Jerry could sprint.
I agree. You know, Jerry just has such an innovative mind. She's taking steps that nobody's taken before. Basically, she's like the first person to walk on the moon.
She walked on the moon? Wait, what did I miss? Oh! That is, oh my god, the artistic expression there. I've learned the single most important thing to keeping a business successful is communication. Really, really important no matter what's going on, no matter what happens, good, bad, great, you stay on top of communication with your customers. I have a very expensive refrigerator at my house and it takes me no less than 12 emails and like some repetitive bugging to get the people to call me back or email me back.
Is your fridge still broken?
Yeah, my fridge is still broken. Still makes stupid noise all the time. It's been broken for like over a year. They even tried to come and fix it one time. Yeah, very frustrating.
Oh, so nice. Episode 1, I have you right here recording you. Now episode 2, I still have you in the exact same spot.
Wow.
How's that possible, Elliot?
I don't
It
know.
looks like you never moved.
I hate windshields.
Is it hard work?
Yeah,
Sounds like you're suffering.
I am. Because I'm fat now.
Oh, no, you're not fat, dude.
You want to see under my shirt?
You don't need to show your stomach to the camera, Elliot. You are normal size, Elliot. Don't worry. You're fine. Why does it look like you're about to sleep right there?
I am.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Oh, doing great, man. How about yourself? Proud of that.
Did you install that?
Yeah. So we're
You
actually
installed that?
Yeah. So we're doing solar panels. He pops that thing up. As long as it has direct sunlight, honestly, even on a cloudy day, it'll be charging up his batteries. It has a full, pretty intricate electrical system, and eventually on the bottom for phase 3, he'll have like a whole kitchen, like camp set up.
Ralphie, would you like to introduce yourself to the YouTube world?
I'm Ralphie.
And I guess it stops there.
I hope you guys have a good day.
Way too far from the curb. This is how much room you have. Understandable.
I was trying to help you.
Thank you, Father.
He just called you father. How do you feel about that?
Well, it's because it's true.
Alex, how many cookies did you eat?
I ate 3 of Misa's cookies, and now this customer just brought more cookies.
Dang, so you're gonna be diabetic?
I'm in trouble.
Yikes. If you really want to give us energy, we often do not accept tips, but sometimes we accept sweets. I'll give you a little tour of the office. You'll be greeted by Misa, or me, or Alex, depending who's available. And then if you look over here, it's the window tint. Joe would take his lunch first. It would then be me. Then Misa would take her lunch. Then Alex would take his beauty sleep, which leaves me alone in the office with thoughts and voices and everything. But so far it's so good, honestly. Excited to see how episode 2 plays out. how is it like being a single father to this furry?
It's amazing.
Wolfie, would you like to live here forever at OCDetailing? Okay. Thank you. Alex, do you ever feel overwhelmed by Misa and I?
Of course not. I am delighted.
He doesn't look like it. Here. Here's our parents having a serious conversation.
Whose mom and dad? Answer.
I don't know who's mom and dad. But bye, guys. Actually, no, not bye. I'll go on my 10.
Shout out to Hugo, who can't be here with us today because he's sick, but he's an MVP and we're feeling the dent without him. So Hugo, get better.
I don't know if I'm gonna get canceled for this. Hey guys, this is Jerry from OCDetailing from OCDetailing News, and I have a question for Jesse. Jesse,
Yes.
so you know how for like many years Justice has been the white boy of the month for like 2 years here at OCDetailing. So how's it like being the white boy of the month this year right now and taking the throne?
It's a great honor, actually. Like, I didn't even have any word about this. I didn't even know about this award, but since I've been getting, word about this, I am so thankful. I apologize to Justice. He's a great competitor within this two-man race. However, I might take white employee of the month every.
I am actually so.
Gonna be so mad.
I'm actually so happy for you, and I'm so glad to have witnessed this historical moment. Thank you. I support you. And this is Jerry from OCDetailing from OCDetailing News. Out.
This is Ultrafit Phoenix Red. I'm so used to seeing this color on Cybertrucks, and it looks awesome on those. Well, holy crap, on a car, it looks... This is like one of my favorite colors. It looks amazing. It's so cool. Very happy to look at. I'm very pleased. I mentioned the install is just epic for doing a color change PPF. You gotta be like super 1 billion skilled. You gotta be like level 12 installer out of 10 levels. And my team is that, so it looks extra awesome.
Silos has the straightest back ever.
Wait, what?
I actually like your posture.
Really? Why?
No, because your back is so straight. Like when I walked in.
Yeah. Well, that's because I was told that if I slouch, I look shorter. I'm already short, so I don't need to be looking shorter than I am.
I see you. I see you. Our dynamic duo. Bye, sorry.
Are you good?
Oh, and then there's Elliot.
Ryan's taller than you, bro.
He's like, oh, that's enough.
Not significant.
It's enough.
Yeah.
It's okay. Hey,
Are we having a measuring contest over here? What the? Hey! There's a girl filming in here! HR, la 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 la!
Jerry wasn't here, so I'd be like, all right, do it.
I would never say anything like that, but when she leaves,
We'll have a discussion.
we'll finish this conversation.
Just finished this Model X in Ultrafit's XP Phoenix Red. You guys know and love it. You're familiar with it, and here it is. I don't know. I don't know. They're okay. They both have their good qualities. This one, I don't know. I kind of like the Phoenix Red, and I sound fake because I said I like the Fire Red, but that was the Fire Red against the Legend. So. But Phoenix Red might have my heart, like especially this angle right here. I like when it has the orange hues in it. So Phoenix Red for the win. For all the viewers, stay tuned. Alex is pumping out more videos. We're gonna have a little bit more of the TV show. Super fun, and we want you guys to see how everything operates here, so tune in.